Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we will create a ladder like this. So we will use an array command, line command, circle command and extrude command or the rectangle command. Okay, so let's get started. So we will use the circle command. Let's create a circle of 6 inch and then use line command and make a line of 4 feet and again create a circle over here of 6 inch. Now what we have to do is we'll just delete this line and then extrude this circle of total height 22 feet, and then we will change the view from realistic to 2D wireframe and we will use the rectangle command REC, enter, and then we'll create a rectangular footrest and we will extrude this also. The height will be just 5 inch, and now we will use the array command. Take AR, enter, select the object, enter, select rectangular array. Now keep it as 1 column, 1 row, and here will be 15 levels and this will be our 18 inch. Close this array command and now let's view it with the realistic. So as you can see guys, our ladder is ready now. So this is the basic principle. You can use any dimension or you can apply any materials also. You can change the color as well. So this way you can create a ladder in Autocad guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.